Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Space, where engineers break the border of engineering. In today's video, we are going to learn about the way to use one of building information modeling software. It's called ArchiCAD. The version that we use here is ArchiCAD 25, and between the previous or future version of the software, I think is still same, the concept or the basic command. So maybe in this section of video we are going to learn about first hands-on the way to use ArchiCAD software. So when you first creating a project, when you first time creating a new project, you will see a pop-up window like this one, and it's contain like the template that we are going to use. In this session we are using the default template that provided by the software. So we choose here ArchiCAD 25 template.tpl, and for work environment profile there are so many options here, but we are going to use the default profile version. So after that, just click new. So the window will appear like this one when you just open the new file. Then we are going to use this template as our basic in designing the model, which is this one here. We are using this one because if you this is how it look like. It seems like similar like what we have been used in AutoCAD. If you don't familiar with AutoCAD, you may go to the button that we have provided above this video, or check it on the description. If you click on the left side of your mouse and go to the left side, you just can select one area. But if you go from left to the right, you can select many options. Like you don't need to select everything continuously, but it can be selected in whole area. Differently we use, and we start from the left side to the right side, it cannot be select until you just select the whole. So after that, let's start to make a wall, and simply just click on this. If you go to the arrow here, you can see many options, like many types of wall, but in this case let's use this one, and then let me make it a cube models here. Alright, so start drawing here. Just type here, let's say we are going to create wall with length is 5000, and we make it also 5000 like this one. If you want to see 3D views, just go to 3D views here, or go to here. You can choose perspective or axonometry. Let's go from the side first. Here you can get the model of the window, the wall that you have been created. And after that, I think to take zoom in on this one. So after we create a wall, I think we need to also create a slab. Let's go to slab. Here is it. Let me choose the option here, or go from here also in the info box. We can use many options, but let's say we are using the generic for now. So let's start to create it with maybe 9000, and make it also, I think it is enough. So if you go to 3D views, and now we have a slab under our wall. So now let me put also maybe something like door here, And of course you can choose many option of door here, and let's say we are using this one, and to creating it, simply just put on it, and then alright, make it as close as possible. So you can choose, if you rotate it, it also rotate the window itself. So basically, because we're creating a window, a door, it should be opening to the inside of the room, and we choose this one instead of this area, because if we choose this area, it make uncomfortable for our user. So let's choose this one, and it will be automatically create a door with a dimension like what it's show in the info box. If you want to see it in the 3D views, just go to 3D views here, define it, and we got it here. So if I select this door, if I select this door, you're gonna see the information relating to the door itself, like height and also the width of the door. So let's go back to the floor plan. Simply just click F2 on your keyboard, and you just go to the floor plan again. And after we put the door here, I think we need also to put a window. So the window itself will be here, if I'm mistaken. And yeah, you can so choose many options of the window. So let's say we are using the generic window here, because this is just introduction for you, so you can get familiar with it. Let me put it here. Alright, so put it here, and if I go to 3D view again, let me find our window, and we get it here. Nice, like nice. And lastly, I think before I close this session, we need to also put a roof. But before that, if you want to see the elevation view, like the section view of the building, it will be automatically, because one of the powerful things regarding to building information modeling is the way we create an object. It will automatically create many views, and one of them is the elevation view or the section view. So if I go to the to the right side of the window, you're gonna see the east rebuild model, north elevation, and east elevation, north elevation, and so on. So let me go to the east elevation, and you're gonna see the result is like this one. This is the building, and if we go to the north, I think we get door, and if we go to the south, we got the window. Alright, that's it about writing to the elevation view. And of course you can also put you can also put some object here. Let's say I would like to put a here, I think, because yeah, and you can choose many options here. For example, like maybe because we want to develop something like an outdoor building, let me choose something beautiful. I think to this one, let me choose maybe this one will be good, because it looks like something, yeah, something cool. And keep in mind also, you can put it also in the 3D views. For example, like this one, let me put it here, something like this one, something like this one. Okay, and if I go to the flip orientation, we can choose maybe here 1 degree, so can make it more like, so maybe 30-60, not good, 90 degree. Okay, this will be good. Let's see, can also move it to here. To make it more interesting, let me back to the floor plan view, and this is our chair, and let's make it more interesting by putting maybe something like window here. Something like window here, and we choose this one. I think it will be good, and we put it here. Alright, if I get to 3D view, sorry, like this one, so it will look more interesting. Okay, this will be good. And after that, we can also put something, one important thing, I think we need also to put, it's what we call as, yeah, this is the views in the east elevation. So one more important thing is to put a roof, of course. So let's say we are using this one, and we choose a prismatic roof, and let me just, alright, this one into this one. Okay, then if I go to 3Ds, it will be provide a roof, prismatic roof like this one. Nice. So if I go to the elevation view, let's say we are going to the north elevation view, we are getting this one. Go to the south elevation, we are getting this one. And if I go to west elevation, we will see something like this. Okay, before I close it, I think I need to also give you some example of documentation view. So something like this one, and then keep in mind this is also adjustable. If you just click on it, you can change everything like the font type and also the font size, of course. So yeah, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your attention, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, it's just basic of our first introduction into the ArchiCAD 25. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you feel or get some troubles, just tell us on the chat box so we can keep in touch with you. So thank you for your attention. Don't forget to see the other video. If you feel like this video is useful for you, don't forget to thumbs up or share it with your fellows. Thank you, and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.